concept in solutions, and that is the concept on solubility. So when we talk about solubility, we are actually referring to the ratio of solute to the ratio of the solution. So basically, if we go by the definition, so solubility refers to the amount of solute that can be dissolved in 100 grams of solvent. So how much solute you can dissolve in this much grams of solvent to make the solution saturated. That means no more solute can be added to this solution. The amount of solute is referred to as the solubility of that solute in that particular solvent. So the formula can be mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. So we can simply say that if I take an example of sodium chloride in water, and if you are not changing the pressure and the temperature of the room, that means if I take the example that temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure, and if the amount of solvent is 100 grams of water, and if 37.5 grams of sodium chloride is the solubility. So by this definition or by this sentence, we particularly mean that if we are not changing the temperature and the pressure of the surroundings, only 37.5 grams of solute, that is sodium chloride, can be added to 100 grams of water. No more solute can be added to this amount of water without changing the temperature and the pressure. That is why the solubility is 37.5. The units of solubility is zero, that is it is unitless. There are no units for the solubility because both the units of the numerator and the denominator are the same, so they will cancel out. Hence the units are, there is no units of solubility, but basically it means that amount of solute present in 100 grams of the solvent. So here I have taken the case of sodium chloride in water, which basically means the sodium chloride is the solute because it is found in lesser quantity and water is the solvent. The important condition here is that we don't have to change the temperature or the pressure of the surroundings. We have to do this experiment without changing the temperature and the pressure. This was the concept of solubility, and how we can increase or decrease solubility. It is on the external temperature and pressure. If we increase the temperature, the solubility also increases, and if we decrease the temperature, the solubility also decreases. So this was the concept on solubility.